The next one we're going to try is a target. You decide where you want the center of your target to be. You smooth out the creases, and once again you wedge the fabric in behind your leg and start with a very, very tight elastic band as we did with the last one. From there, you work with another elastic band and you move it down an equal distance and do the same thing again. And if you're running out of fabric, you can turn it around for the third elastic band. This is going to give you 3 concentric circles placed at even distances apart. Targets are really simple to make and quite effective.